Strong winds during an hour-long freak storm wreaked havoc at several places in Georgetown, with trees being uprooted and roofs and signboards blown off. Traffic came to a standstill in several roads as motorists slowed down to avoid tree branches in several places around Georgetown. The hour-long freak storm that began at 8:55 a.m. on Saturday also saw scaffoldings collapsing on a car in Jalan Pintal Tali. At least 11 households in Jalan Tukong Batu Jelutong and Jalan Shaikh Madar Air Hitam saw their house roofs being blown away. Penang Island City Council MBPP Corporate Department Director Muhammad Akbar Mustafa says the rapid squad was deployed to clear debris, leaves and branches after the incident. The squad from Landscape Department, Enforcement Department and Urban Services Department cleaned up the mess before noon. No casualties were reported.